Well, it's quite unfortunate that His Excellency Saraki Dickson will cry more than the bereaved. I want to say that, let me start by saying that I totally adopt the response of the Rivers Caucus at the National Assembly, ably led by one of the finest legislators we have in this country, not just in Rivers State, in the person of Right Honorable Kingsley Ogundochinda. His response, or the response of the caucus, was a beautiful one, and I don't think there is anything. I'll just say I adopt their response to what the former governor and senator representing Bayelsa Southwest Obi also said about Rivers State. They have made it clear it's not from Rivers State. But let me also add something to what they have said briefly, and that is the governor, if you are coming to equity, you must come with clean hands. The governor today that is speaking, the former governor, was once the governor of Bayelsa State. And under his watch, ask Saraki Dickson, why didn't he conduct election till when he was about leaving at the local government level? If he was a Democrat, or as he claimed to be a Democrat, why will he operate with caretaker committee as a sitting governor? It is, it's so shameful that our leaders will come to the public without retrospecting and examining themselves, will come and make comment against others. You rule a state as a governor. If you're a Democrat, why didn't you conduct local government election as you came on board? You continue with the caretaker, and at the time you're about leaving, you conducted local government election. That is mockery of democracy. And such person does not have the moral standing to criticize what is happening in Rivers State. Because let me let you know, when he did not conduct the local government election, there was no reason for not conducting it. He will not say there is palpable tension in all the local government, 8 local government in Bayelsa. That's why he didn't conduct it and went and, this appointed caretaker committee. But in Rivers State, there was a palpable political tension that led to the appointment of a sole administrator. And he has retired. So it's not a military government. It can, the best, be described as a civilian government, but not a military government. And Dickson, is he going to tell me that we have majority, or at least close to half of members of the National Assembly, most especially in the Senate, are retired officers or military, immigration, custom? Is he trying to tell us that a section of the Senate is militarized or has become a security agency? They are retired. They are civilians as we speak today. And so they are entitled and should be recognized as such. Now, let me also let us know. You see, the so-called or the acclaimed June 12 election, those that conducted the primaries that led to the emergence of Abiola and Tofa as the presidential candidate of NRC and XDP, were appointed by a military government. The party as chairman and, in fact, the executive were appointed by the then military government. But look at the election they conducted, the primaries that led to the emergence of the former, late Abiola and Tofa of blessed memory. So the thing is that Dickson should focus on how to make Bayelsa and his senatorial district a better place for the people of the state, and not trying to take advantage or feast on what has happened in Rivers State to try to shine and play towards the gallery and feel that he has become an accidental activist using Rivers State. No, he should go and do a lot in Bayelsa. There is a lot that is needed to be done in Bayelsa, and I've given instances that he has no moral ground to say that, because he has demonstrated his undemocratic tendency by allowing a caretaker committee under his watch.